Housekeeping staff often go unnoticed, cleaning up after guests in the hotel industry. They're underappreciated for their hard work, but sometimes their dedication is recognized in the most unexpected ways. This is the story of one such housekeeper who received the surprise of a lifetime. But hey, before we dive into the story, do yourself a favor and pause the video right now. Go hit that like button, and let's see if we can make this video reach 1,000 likes. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to your favorite story channel. Also, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and weirdest stories. Trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming your way. Now sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed as we take you on an unforgettable ride. Don't forget to engage with us in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Without further ado, let's dive right in. In 2013, struggling to pay her bills, a woman in desperate need of a job walked into a hotel and confidently asked for work. The timing was perfect, as the hotel's previous cleaning lady had just quit, and the owner was overwhelmed with a pile of dirty laundry and an upcoming town event. Despite having no resume or experience, the woman's determination impressed the owner, who decided to give her a chance. The owner was skeptical, expecting the new hire to quit within days due to the demanding nature of the job. However, the new housekeeper quickly exceeded expectations, organizing the laundry and introducing a new system that improved the hotel's operations. The owner knew she needed to reward the woman for her hard work, but lacked the resources. She reached out to Kyle Orifice and Josh Gibson from the YouTube channel Give Back Films, who were known for rewarding deserving individuals. Kyle and Josh decided to surprise the housekeeper by posing as unruly guests. They checked into the hotel, set up hidden cameras in their room, and made a mess to make it look like they had been staying there. They also prepared a surprise, hiding $500 and $20 bills under the messy sheets with a note that read, "This is a tip. Enjoy." After setting everything up, they called for housekeeping and watched from their van as the housekeeper entered the room. The woman began cleaning without hesitation, despite the mess. When she finally pulled back the sheets and saw the money, she gasped and started to cry, overwhelmed by the unexpected gift. Kyle and Josh revealed themselves, explaining why they chose her for the surprise. Initially hesitant to accept the money, the housekeeper felt she didn't deserve such a reward for just doing her job. However, after some convincing, she agreed to keep the money, realizing that her hard work truly made a difference. The surprise not only changed the housekeeper's day, but also highlighted the importance of appreciating those who work behind the scenes. Kyle and Josh's act of kindness serves as a reminder that genuine appreciation can have a profound impact on someone's life.